In today's video, I'll show you on how you can clip stretch resolution on Outplay TV. The first thing that you want to do is to head over to your Outplay TV settings. Now we are going to edit some simple settings in order to make sure that we recorded properly while playing our stretch resolution game. In here, navigate through the capture category, and basically we have some settings that we have to modify. Now in here, you can just customize this to whatever you want to. If you want to record something like 1080p, 4K, 2K, it doesn't really matter. You then want to choose your bitrate and frame rate on this setting. Click on the advanced option, and below this option, you will see the crop options grayed out. To enable this specific option, just click on the force video aspect ratio to 16:9. So in that way, if you're playing on a stretch resolution, it will then force the stretch resolution to become 16:9, which is going to be 1920 by 1080p. And then you want to make sure that you have selected stretched right here. Select the GPU encoder, and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.